Hello to everyone, my name is Michael Torres and in this opportunity for an English conversation it's on. So first the part 1 was the 40 questions to you in 1 minute. First, if I could travel to one country in the world, where would you go and why? Okay, if I could travel to some country, I think I will go to France. For me, it's to think that is very beautiful country. Yes. Other thing is the culture that they have seen is very interesting to me, as well as no depression that they have a part of the story of the humanity. Yes, another thing is that I would like to learn a little of the language of his country. See, because as all as know, it's a very romantic language, yes, and it is also uh, this language is used in different parts of the world. Also, the gastronomic part of France is very interesting because he have heard that they have the best restaurants and the best chefs in the world. Yes. Mm, in the second question, say how important it is to you to spend time with your family. Okay. First, I have to say that for me, my family is the most important thing. So spending time with them is so important to me. Yes, since I have always tried to enjoy my children and do things together. I like to teach uh, them things and also learn from for me. Yes, family is my main engine in my life, so I like spending time with them. Mm, uh, the time that we spend together as a family is essential factor that helps to create a strong bonds. Yes, love, connection, and relationship between all of us. Mm, spending like quality or time with the family helps me to change styles and to be security with the family values and helps give me a children confidence or a good relation with with my children. Yes. In the part 2, we have to choose pictures and answer the questions. So I select the first pictures. The question is what my people be enjoying about these different events. I select this picture. For okay. In this first imagine I don't know, but people can be enjoying a burden. Yes. When they all appear to very good friends, but they could also be celebrating as an important achievement or one of them. Yes, but in really, in this imagine, one they enjoys the most in the friendship and support. It seems that they are very close. Yes. Okay. In this one, in my imagine, you can see a family, yes, enjoying a sunny day, Sunday. So they are enjoying uh, everyone's company. Maybe the parents decide to have a, I don't know, a good the time with her childrens to strengthen the love between all of them can be one meat where they could also have shared a delicious picnic lunch that they take to a place different from the common ones that they visit. On the other hand, what might motivate people to do jobs like this? Okay. First, I choose this imagine in the first because I think that the motivates this person to do this work is that to want to help all the other people. There are also those to save lives and ensure to integrate of other people having to desist the or more difficult moments. Yes, I don't know, but is that the doctor likes to be a doctor and modulates his way of life to able to do a ground in our lives to dedicate himself to another's even through the role of the doctor in the society is a personal weight in very interesting rewarding. Yes. Mm, in the second imagine, mm, I don't know. I think that for me in this job it has to be a courage and conviction to serve even about their own person. Yes, they are willing to risk their lives in order to guarantee the other lives in other people. I think that waiting to be a friendly should be a passionate about this being to only to support by helping the other people. Mm. Now in the part three, I speak for 2 minutes talking about the following pictures covering all the topics. Okay. What may people have to consider when we make these decisions? Okay. In this part, choosing an university. In choosing university, it's clear that we have to have clear if the university is directly according to what I am looking for and mix at the parameters or to choose that I choose. Yes, starting a family. Mm, in this really the stage you want to take is a great. I think that is a great decision. Yes, you should know or take into account if the age and the time is the right one to do it to take this decision. Mm, moving to another country. The first that I I have to be is to be treated to take into account is the other countries you are doing have a very hit list with themselves. Also, uh, also with uh, if in the other country are going to see in this country and what in my family is better there or not. Yes. In getting married, for the decision I should be taking into account if you really want to share your life with this person or with another person, and if really loves it's great to take this step. Yes. Mm, Finding a job. When I finding a job, I when you should take into account that profile you are looking for and how competitive is this job could be. Part 4. Answer the following question during the 5 minutes. Okay. First question. When do you think it is important for people to be motivated? Are there any times when being motivated is undesirable? Mm, the truth, mm, when for some reason people feel important and useful also because they are doing something that you really like. Likewise, I believe that there are occasions in which it's not important to be motivated. Yes, when you decided, for example, when you deciding to do something with anger or a malposition, they will not give good things. Yes. The others, it is often said that motivation is important in education. For me, is that motivation in education is very, very important since this it will help to stimulate the students to develop in a very way the capacities of each one. Mm, so now, what factors motivated people to achieve something? Mm, I don't know. Are many. I can find many factors motivate people, but I have like three or four that for me is important. The first is the goal that you want to reach. Yes. The other factor is the family. No, there is the personal objectives of this person and the success that you want to achieve. Um, the last question says, how can people motivate themselves? How can people motivate themselves? According to the, I don't know, to the capabilities and being aware of the objectives to be achieved, and also having a clear he or they want. Yes. So thanks.